Hi, this is Whale, and I am revolutionizing Notion experiences. In this video, I will be giving you a tour and step-by-step tutorial of the Notion Finance Tracker template. If you haven't already, you can get it at whaleorfee.gumroad.com. Now let's dive into the tour. The first section shows you the budget for the current month. It displays additional data such as your progress towards spending that budget as well as the amount left to spend. Besides that, you can see your wallets, both your total wallets and the amount in your accounts, and the transaction section between wallets. For example, if you take cash from the bank, it will be automatically transferred to your cash account. Below that, you can find some information on the savings you are working on, your payables and receivables, which all show you data about the saving or payment progress, the amount you have left to save or pay, and the due date. On this side, there's a call-out block for quick navigations to all the databases in this template, as well as quick buttons for easy adding of income, expenses, transactions, and so on. You can add more buttons that will suit your workflow. Further below are your income, expense, subscriptions, savings and payables or receivables trackers. Even further down are your month's total expenses by category, followed by your monthly summary for the year 2024, which shows you the budget you set for the month as well as your total income, expenses and saved money. Now that we have covered the tour, let's learn how to manage your own Notion Finance Tracker. The first thing we need to do is to create the monthly budget. In the navigation, click Monthly Budget. Input the month name and set the budget for this month. Do this in all the months. Go back to the main dashboard and click Spending category. Add a category by clicking New, then set the monthly budget for that category. Do this in all of the categories you will add. Add an icon for visual appeal. We can now add some accounts. Click New, input the account name and the starting balance, and add an icon for visual appeal. Do this in all the accounts that you will add. For the transfer, input the amount to the source account and then the account to which you will transfer the money. Now we can input our transactions for income. Click New, then type the name of the income, the amount and the account. The same process of inputting can be applied in the expenses tracker, except that you need to assign the spending category in the expenses tracker. Now for savings, if you are saving for something, click New in Savings, and input the name, amount and due date. Add an icon for visual appeal. When you are done saving for this, tick the Don't checkbox so it can be hidden from the view. To record your savings, go to the Savings tracker here. Click New, input the amount, the savings and the account. For the subscriptions tracker, we need to create a template for each subscription, so that a transaction will automatically be generated at the time of payment. To do this, click the drop-down arrow beside New, then click a new template. Input the name of the subscription, the amount, the account and the expense category, which is subscriptions. Add an icon for visual appeal. Exit the template. Click the drop-down menu again. Click the three dots beside the subscription you created and set the appropriate frequency of payment. You can also do this for your bills such as rent or internet bills. Now for payables and receivables, if you have a new debt, record it here first by clicking New. If it is money owed to you, then you need to click the New in the receivable section. Let us go back to the debt we added, and input the name, the amount and the due date. Once the payments are done for this, take the Don't checkbox so it can be hidden from the view. Now for our debt transaction, click New under the payables or receivable section. If you pay the amount, select Paid, otherwise Received. Input the amount, the debt and the account. Now let's proceed to the tutorial on how to change the currency when you purchase the template. There will be a Change the Currency page included. Click that. Now you can see a table database with different views. Click the name of the property and select Edit Property from the drop-down menu. Change the number format to the currency you want to. Do this for every property. Now some properties may not have a number format option. Look for the code block of that property below. For example, for this property, the view name is Budget and the property name is Budget Display. Then we know that the code block we are looking for is this one. Now change all the black emojis to the symbol of your currency. Make sure that there are no excess spaces and make sure that you do not delete any character besides the target emoji, otherwise you will mess up the code. Do this for every target emoji in that block. Now copy the code. Click the cell below the property name we are working on, press Ctrl A or Command A, then Ctrl V or Command V, and click Done. Do this for all the properties. Where the number format option does not appear, repeat the process in all the views, and that's it. That concludes our tutorial. If you are interested in more of my templates, check them out at wellerfee.gumroad.com. I offer a variety of free Notion templates that will revolutionize your Notion experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.